Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Let's begin with our book, Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with the chapter today, that is chapter number 41, Musicians of India. In this chapter, we will be reading the blanks and then we will fill the blanks from the help of the help desk. Let's begin with the exercise. Let's begin with the first fill in the blank, and the first blank is Dash was one of the most renowned sitar players in the world, and he introduced Indian classical music to the Western audiences, and he also collaborated with the famous musicians like George Harrison of the Beatles. So the answer is Ravi Shankar. The next we have is Dash is a legendary tabla player known for his collaborations with the musicians across the globe, and he has worked with both Indian classical musicians and Western artists, popularizing the tabla worldwide, and he is Ustad Zakir Hussain. Then the next is Dash was a master of the Shehnai, a traditional Indian wind instrument, and his music is associated with bringing the Shehnai to the classical musical stage. Answer is Ustad Bismillah Khan. He was a very famous Shehnai player. Next we have Dash was a versatile singer and an actor who was known for his playful and soulful voice. His songs continue to be popular even today, years after his death. And the name of this versatile singer and actor is Mr. Kishore Kumar. The last is Dash is known for the blending Indian classical music with the electronic music, world music and traditional orchestral arrangements. He has won 2 Academy Awards for his work on the movie Slumdog Millionaire, and the name of this musician is A.R. Rahman. So this is all for today's fill in the blanks of the chapter. Let's now do the your answer please. Now the first question given over here for you children is, who is known as the Nightingale of India in the world of playback singing? And she was a very famous singer. I hope you would be knowing this answer. The next is, which Indian musician is famous for popularizing the tabla worldwide? Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.